In this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch duplicate modules in a Tricentis Tosca project. One of the fundamental benefits of Tosca's model-based test automation technique is that you only need to have one module for each object or task being automated, and it can be reused over and over in your repository. However, often when multiple teams are working in a large enterprise repository, there may be times when the same object is scanned more than once, or the standard subset is imported multiple times. This is a problem because it increases the maintenance time of our repository. Our best practice is that the test architects, or the person whose job it is to ensure the integrity of the repository, goes through occasionally and cleans up the repository by locating duplicate modules and replacing or merging them. In this example, I'll show you some ways to look for multiple instances of the standard module set and replace the instances. I will show you how to locate identical individual modules, and then I'll show you how to locate modules and folders using Tosca Query Language, or TQL. So first, let's say you find a standard module sitting alone somewhere in a module folder that someone is working in. To look for other instances of that module in the project, select the module and click on Find Duplicate Modules on the Modules tab. Tosca will show you all identical modules in the repository and their paths. For this function to work, the names of the modules can be different, but the module attributes inside must be named and identified identically. An exact match is required for this function. Typically, this should work with the standard modules, as it is unlikely they would be changed by the automation specialists. So let's say you have the opposite situation, where you don't know where the random standard module instances might be floating around, but you want to locate them. There are many ways that this can be done, so let's look at creating just a couple of example TQL queries. First, you might assume that some specialists might put standard modules in a standard module folder, but only take the modules relevant to them. In this case, you can search the entire project for folders containing the word standard. Once you have located the module folders, you can add additional columns to the TQL viewer. For example, you can add the node path column to see the location of these folders, or you can simply jump directly to the object. Another option is to search the entire project for any object called standard modules. You may want to search only within a certain folder in a repository. Let's say you can't change another team's work, etc. So you could just select a particular folder and start your search only with subparts of that folder. Now these are just 3 examples of any number of TQL queries you might use within your own project. We suggest having a standard modules folder which is relevant for all projects, to replace all other standard modules with. They will all refer back to this module set then. You can even re-import the latest standard modules to ensure that you have the most recent version of the modules. To replace any of these modules or folders, you simply hold Shift, click and drag the standard modules which you want to get rid of and replace the usages with the relevant for all projects set. There you go. You should now be able to clean up your Tosca repository by fetching duplicate modules.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.